Imagine you want to teach someone a new skill or encourage a positive habit. How do you make it stick? A token economy is a powerful system designed to teach and change behavior. It works by using tokens as a form of immediate reward. A token is a visible, tangible item, coin, sticker, point on a chart, or a digital credit given right after a desired action. Its power is not in the token itself, but in what it represents and can be exchanged for later. A backup reinforcer is the actual reward the tokens can buy. It might be a prize, a privilege, or an activity the person truly values. Tokens connect small, immediate steps to a larger, later reward. A target behavior is the specific, observable action we want to encourage. A reinforcement schedule is the rule for when and how often tokens are given. The exchange rate sets the token price for each reward. Together, these create a clear, motivating system. One common application is the classroom. Students earn star stickers as tokens for positive behaviors. For example, raising a hand before speaking, completing classwork on time, and helping a classmate. Each time the behavior occurs, the teacher places a sticker right away. 10 stickers can be traded for 15 minutes of free reading. 20 stickers can be exchanged for a prize from the treasure box. This structure supports positive academic and social habits. In a group home, staff might use plastic chips as tokens for life skills. Residents earn chips for making their bed, doing laundry, and participating in sessions. Backup reinforcers include extra television time, a preferred snack, or a planned weekend outing. Each week, a store opens to trade chips for rewards. The system builds independence through clear reinforcement. In ABA therapy, token boards are common. For each correct response, like identifying a picture or imitating an action, the therapist places a token right away. When the board is full, the child exchanges tokens for a highly motivating backup reinforcer, such as a few minutes with a favorite toy or a short video. This predictable cycle sustains focus and motivation during intensive learning. Successful implementation requires careful planning and consistency. Keep rules simple and visible, how to earn tokens and how to spend them. Show target behaviors and clear exchange rates. Make tokens easy to distribute and manage. Deliver tokens immediately to strengthen the link between action and reward. Consistency among all administrators is critical. Everyone must award tokens the same way, across all shifts. Track tokens earned and exchanged to maintain fidelity and monitor progress. Teach the system explicitly what tokens are, how to earn, and how to exchange, using modeling and role-play. Plan to fade tokens as behaviors become habitual. Gradually reduce token frequency and increase natural reinforcement like praise and pride in mastery. Choose target behaviors that are specific, observable, and measurable. Replace vague goals with concrete actions like completes homework before 8 p.m. Begin with 2 or 3 high-priority behaviors. For classrooms, targets might include staying seated and completing work. Match expectations to skill level to avoid frustration. For young children, shares a toy for 1 minute. For adults in training, independently completes a 3-step task. Focus on behaviors that improve independence, success, and safety. Selecting specific, observable, achievable, and relevant behaviors creates a clear path to meaningful improvement. Token choice is practical and crucial for smooth operation. Ideal tokens are durable, portable, and easy to count and manage. Common options include chips, coins, laminated cards, marbles, or simple check marks. Match tokens to the environment and avoid choking hazards for very young children. For younger learners, bright, appealing tokens boost motivation. For older learners, function matters. Digital points or low-profile tallies work well. Ensure tokens can't be faked or freely accessed. Plan simple storage to prevent loss and frustration. Tokens matter only if backup reinforcers are genuinely desirable. Ask participants. Use a quick survey or conversation to build a preferred list. Include items, activities, and privileges. Offer a menu with low, medium, and high-cost options. Low-cost rewards, such as a small treat or a 10-minute break, help maintain daily motivation. Higher-cost rewards teach planning and saving toward bigger goals. Set exchange rates to reflect value and required effort. Harder-to-get items should cost more. Keep prices attainable early on to avoid discouragement. Review and refresh the menu regularly to prevent satiation and keep motivation high. The reinforcement schedule dictates how and when tokens are delivered. Start with continuous reinforcement when teaching a new behavior. Deliver a token every single time to build a strong, immediate link. Once reliable, shift to intermittent reinforcement to strengthen durability. This mirrors real life, where reinforcement is occasional. Fixed ratio example, FR3. Every third correct response is reinforced. Fixed interval. Reinforce the first correct response after a set time. Variable ratio. Unpredictable delivery, around an average, often yields high, steady responding. Variable interval. Time varies before the next chance to earn. Typical progression. Start continuous, then fixed, then variable, and finally fade tokens out. Train all staff, teachers, and parents on targets, schedules, and exchange rules. Inconsistency quickly weakens the system. Collect data to verify impact and guide adjustments. Review data regularly to spot trends. Set rules for token loss and unauthorized trading from the start. Establish exchange times to avoid constant interruptions. Plan to decrease token frequency, raise response requirements, and pair tokens with social praise. Aim for maintenance by natural consequences and social reinforcement. Advantages: immediate, tangible feedback, flexible, customized reinforcers, effective in groups, easy to track. Disadvantages: time and labor demands, reliance on consistency, risk of token chasing and satiation. Mitigate by refreshing rewards, training staff well, collecting data, and planning a careful fade. The key is balancing powerful structure with practical implementation. A token economy uses tokens to reinforce target behaviors on a clear schedule, with an exchange rate for valued backup reinforcers. Keep it simple, consistent, data-driven, and plan to fade. That wraps up Chapter 22, The Token Economy from Miltenberger's Behavior Modification, Principles and Procedures textbook. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a like so other students can find it too. You can always use the timestamps to review key sections, or head to the playlist to continue with the next chapter. Subscribe to ChapterCast for more chapter-by-chapter study guides, and let me know in the comments which concept you'd like broken down next. Thank you for learning with ChapterCast, where textbooks become study-friendly lessons. See you in the next video for Chapter 23, Behavioral Contracts.